Discover the best pediatric bone marrow transplant options in India with this comprehensive guide. Learn about the procedures, types, costs, top hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Find everything you need to know about pediatric bone marrow transplants in India in one place. In the realm of pediatric healthcare, bone marrow transplant stands as a critical procedure that offers hope and healing to children facing various life-threatening conditions. In India, the landscape of pediatric bone marrow transplants has evolved significantly over the years, with advanced procedures, top-notch hospitals, and remarkable success rates. Understanding pediatric bone marrow transplants. What is a pediatric bone marrow transplant? A pediatric bone marrow transplant, also known as a stem cell transplant, is a procedure that involves replacing damaged or diseased bone marrow with healthy stem cells. This treatment is often recommended for children with conditions such as leukemia, lymphoma, aplastic anemia, and genetic disorders. Types of pediatric bone marrow transplants. 1. Autologous transplant. In this type of transplant, the patient's own stem cells are used. 2. Allogenic transplant. Healthy stem cells are sourced from a donor, which can be a family member, unrelated donor, or cord blood. Procedures involved in pediatric bone marrow transplants. 1. Pre-transplant evaluation. This includes a series of tests to assess the child's health status and compatibility for the transplant. 2. Stem cell collection. Stem cells are collected from the patient or a donor through a process called apheresis or bone marrow harvest. 3. Conditioning regimen. The child undergoes chemotherapy or radiation to prepare their body for the transplant. 4. Transplant. The stem cells are infused into the child's bloodstream. 5. Recovery and monitoring. Close monitoring is essential post-transplant to prevent complications and ensure successful engraftment. Cost considerations for pediatric bone marrow transplants. The cost of a pediatric bone marrow transplant in India can vary based on several factors, including the type of transplant, hospital charges, doctors' fees, medications, and post-transplant care. On average, the cost can range from $18,000 to $35,000. Best hospitals for pediatric bone marrow transplants in India. 1. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram, known for its comprehensive pediatric transplant services and skilled medical team. 2. Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad, a private institution with a strong track record in pediatric healthcare. 3. Artemis Hospitals, Gurgaon, renowned for its expertise in pediatric transplants and cutting-edge technology. Success rates and success stories. Pediatric bone marrow transplants in India have seen remarkable success rates, giving new lease of life to many children. The survival rates for pediatric transplants vary based on factors such as the underlying condition, donor match, and post-transplant care. Some heartwarming success stories include children like Arav, who battled leukemia and emerged victorious post-transplant, showcasing the power of resilience and medical advancements. Thanks for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.